Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer files between any device for free. It can be from your iPhone to your PC, it can be from Android to your PC, it can be even from your PC to iPhone. So the best part is this is absolutely free, and all this happen in your local network. All you have to do is connect those two devices, your PC and your mobile, onto the same Wi-Fi network, and you will be good to go. So first of all, the software I'm talking about is called local send. So I'm gonna search it on the Google on my browser. It can be a Google Chrome or any other browser you like, and search. And this is the local send, their official website. Sorry for the misspell. And I'm gonna click it, the first page, and I'm gonna scroll down and select the download on top of your right screen, and it will bring you to this page. And here you can see the Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS versions. So this is for the Windows version. I'm going to click it, and after that scroll down a bit, and here you can find the exe installer option. Click it, and the exe installer file will automatically start to download. So after finishing the download, I will go to the containing folder, and after that, to install it, all I have to do is double click it, and the installation widget will come on your screen. And here this is a Microsoft verification. I'm gonna click install anyway. If you're using Microsoft Store in your PC, this window might pop up. I'm gonna install it for me, all the users, and select yes, minimize all of that, and select English, select OK. It's a very small software, so it won't take much of your space. I'm gonna select create a desktop shortcut and select next, select install. So the installation process is finished. So this is all done for the PC part, and now I will go to the mobile part in a bit. So this is the setup, allow access. I'm going to click allow access. After that, that's the security option. This apps is relatively safe. I'm going to select on. Yeah, this is the PC part. Let's move on to the mobile part as well. And now onto the mobile part. So as I am using iOS, I'm gonna go to the Safari browser here, and here just do the same thing. Search for local send. Go to local send, click their website, official website, and select the download option here as well. And it's already selected the iOS version. I'm going to select App Store. If it's for Android, select the App Store as Google Play Store as well. All the process will be same, and I will select the get thing. So the download had started already, and it's installed, and select the open option here, and give the permission allow, select on. So I want to send something from my phone to PC. I'm going to select send option here. As you can see, as my both PC and phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network, so it's already detected my PC is named Smart Page. It's a funny name they gave. I'm going to select this one and close. I'm gonna select some media here. You can see different types of option. I'm going to select some files here, and if some songs, just select this and select open, and click the PC version, as it's already sending the file, as you can see, and the file is sent, and select done. And if I want to give you that, as you can see, my received option, if I go to the received option, it's already there. I have that on my PC as well. So in this way you can easily send any files from PC to a smartphone, or your smartphone to PC. So this is the video. I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.